Today we talk about how can you enable app notifications on your Costco app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on account down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on app settings here, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here, you come here to app notifications, click in this sign. So then you click here on turn on and settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here, come here to show notifications, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here app notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.